Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm opening my Allure Beauty Box. My Allure Beauty Box for the month of May. And I'm gonna go ahead and check it out and see what I got. No idea what's in here, but I'm excited. It feels a little heavy this month, so I'm really kind of curious to see what's in here. Okay, so as usual, it has here this nice little pamphlet that they give you, and it gives all the information for the products that are inside of your box. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this handy so I can refer to it when I need to get more information on what's in my box. So if you're not familiar with Allure, it is a monthly beauty box subscription that you can get delivered to your door every month. And I'm not sure exactly how much I pay for this. I think it's around $12.95, anywhere from $12 to $14, I believe I pay for this box. So I do get this delivered to me every single month. Now let me go ahead. Oh, this looks like a very nice box, you guys. So let me go ahead and take out this first item here. This says natural glowing skin. Bronzing water. Oh wow. Saint Tropez self-tan purity. I don't need this. Well, let me go ahead and take a look and see what this is anyway. Okay. I do not need a self-tanner. I'm already tan. Okay, so it says Saint Tropez self-tan purity bronzing water mousse. Wow. That sounds very interesting. I've never heard of anything like a self-tanning bronzing water mousse. Very interesting. So anyways, it says it retails for $42 and you can get this at Ulta.com. This is definitely a product that I will be giving away because I don't need a self-tanner for obvious reasons. Okay, next. Okay, so this is a very, very pretty container. It says Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray. Medium hold nourishing spray. New Thames Frizz. So this is what that looks like. Very nice metallic type packaging here. And it says here, let me find this item. Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray. It says it retails for $19. And it looks like it's just something that will add a shine and nourishment to your hair. That you can use. So this is something that I will actually try out. So very, very nice. Okay, next here, what is this? Oh, this looks very interesting. It's from CLE Melting Lip Powder, long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint. So this is what the container looks like right now. So I am assuming I need to shake this up or something. This is very weird. And it's in the color Desert Rose. This is a powder. This is a powder, an actual powder. Hold on one second. Let me see what's going on here. What in the powdery lips is going on here? Okay, CLE Melting Lip Powder in Desert Rose. If you haven't tried lip powders, they're exactly what they sound like. Powders that you spread over your lips and then they magically turn into smooth lip tints. They deliver color that's more pigmented and buildable than a stain, but just as natural looking. This summery matte raspberry shade from CLE goes on easily with a wand. Okay, it says it retails for $19.99. I'm curious. I'm about to open this baby up. Hold on. Okay, so, oh, this is what the wand looks like. And it is actually a powder, you guys. I wonder if I have to put it on my lips for it to work because I'm about to swatch it on my hand right quick. Oh my goodness. It is turning into a liquid. It goes on like a powder, but it turns into a liquid. That is so crazy. Let me see if I can get a little bit of this out of here for you guys. Let me see. Just so you can see I'm not crazy. Look at that. That is a powder. You see the powder there? That's powder. And so when you rub it in, the powder actually turns into liquid. I don't know if you can see. That is really cool. Look at that. That's crazy. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. I've never seen a lip powder lipstick before, so this is very cool. Okay, next. So next I have here from Hello Fab, Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Okay, bomb. Because I love any type of new primer or moisturizer to try. First Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer. Can I make these names any longer? So this is a nice cute little sample size. It retails for $28 for the full size, and you can buy it at firstaidbeauty.com. You can enter Allure 0518 to receive 15% off if you'd like to purchase this. So basically it is a moisturizer and primer in one. Very, very cool. Okay, next, let's see what I have here. It looks like I might have a couple of sheet masks or one sheet mask and something else. Okay, so this here, the first item, very, very big package here. This says L'Oreal Paris Ever Pure Sulfate Free Intense Repair Hair Sheet Mask, Steam Treatment Mask, Capillary and blah, blah, blah. 5-minute hair spa. Okay, so this is very cool. So this is a very, very pretty packaging on a hair mask. So let me just see what the retail on this is, so I can give you guys the 011. Where's it at? Where's it at? Okay, so this is a intense repair hair mask, and I don't have any information in my booklet on it. I don't know why. Maybe this was an extra freebie for me. So anywho, very, very cool. And lastly in my box, I believe I do have information on this, Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And I really, really like the gold eye masks. So I got 2 of these gold eye masks here. Yeah, so there's 1 pair in each pack. Very cool. And it says here that it retails for $25 for 6 pair. There's also a code in here. You can buy it at wanderbeauty.com. Enter code Allure20618 to receive 20% off. It says these blinged out patches were made for mask selfies. I love that you can moisturize and soothe your under eyes and look good while doing it. Gold foil makes me feel extra glamorous. Blah, blah, blah. They're nice and calming because they've got aloe, which is a skin cooling effect. It's made them a favorite around the office and godsends for late nights. So anyways, that is that. I have 2 of these gold eye masks, which is really cool. So it looks like that is everything in my Allure box for this month, you guys. Very, very nice. And I'm very, very pleased with my box this month. I'm having a good subscription box month. I'm getting some really, really good stuff. I only have 1 more that I have to open, which is my Sephora Play box. And who knows what kind of baby samples are going to be in there, but I'm still anxious to see what I got. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.